This is dedicated to my sister. From McAuley High, I'm gonna miss you. Unique in so many ways, so here's a list that I made. Show me how you know you from here, so sit back and listen, please. I know you from McAuley when you start school, sitting on the beaches being so uncool. Wishing you could grow up fast, be a 13 and be sitting on a chair. When your hair used to be nicely done and by 4 your favorite hairstyle is the high bun. The higher the best, so your mama complains, saying, oh, but that one's bigger than your brain. You know you're from McAuley when you have the healthiest breakfast of an old who. You try to hide your chips in case someone in particular tries to confiscate it. And this stuff up in the traffic jam outside of the tuck shop. Teacher screaming to the left, but she ain't Beyonce, so you act like you're dead. We're just McAuley girls, sing it. We're just McAuley girls. There's no other like us in this whole world. We're just McAuley girls. We're just McAuley girls. We're just McAuley. You know you're from McAuley when the other schools sing tune at the dogs and I think they're cool. And all you wanna do is punch their face, but you gotta resist, cause you're a lady. You're right on the and earthquake in Japan. But you don't mind just as long as you're having a good time, having a good time. You know you're from McAuley when a little rumor goes round and round and ends up bigger than a tumor. Where your friend's mom automatically becomes your auntie. And your hands, sister comes round and you be hitting from the tab from McAuley when you top the CEA. And don't give about no man's cage. Yeah. We're just McAuley girls. We're just McAuley girls. Yeah. We're just McAuley girls. There's no other like us in this whole world. You know you're from McAuley when you rockin' DTs with no shame. When your friend says she's done no homework, you celebrate cause you've done the same. When the Friday night is held on the field at 1 p.m. No school quite the same. Clap your hands and McAuley. There's no other in Tasserati, this the motto of our school. Girls, remember wherever you go, McAuley will forever be with